Hi ladies. Um so in this video I wanted to show you how I'm going to do the closure. And excuse my hands, I've been dyeing fabric strips. I've been using my Tim Holtz re-inkers. I'm just going to show you real quick. If I don't drop them all. But I just made like different colors of little strips and folded them all up nice and neatly. Who knows how long they'll stay folded up like that. But I just made a bunch of different colors and I like how they all came out. So anyways, sorry, I get sidetracked easily. ADD kicking in. So what I thought I'd use is these little clips. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're the little Tim Holtz clips. So I grabbed out 2 of those, and I have some broken jewelry chain that I'm going to use. And what I'm going to do is put them on like this. So they go on like this, and then I'll hook the chain up, and I'm going to put extra in case it needs to grow. So this will be hanging down, and it will be extra in case the recipient needs to make it larger. But it's pretty large to begin with, so I'm just going to put them on like that and then hang little charms from them. I'm not sure how. I think I have 30 minutes to film, so let me put you in a little closer. And I'm going to try to do this sitting down. I usually film standing up because my desk is so high, but I added some books to my chair. And I sit up a little higher now. I need a high chair. So I got my pliers, and the great thing is on these I already have some jump rings on here that I'm gonna use. So that's cool. But I do have jump rings if I need them. So, but these are the perfect size. So I'm just gonna loop that through this loop here and then close it back up. Maybe I'm too close, or I need to move further down here. And then I'll take this jump ring here and open this one up, if I can find the opening. And then put that on this. Okay, so that's what it will look like. Let me see what it will look like on the book. So I know I want it there. And there. Okay. So it will hang down like that. I wonder if I should make it a bit shorter, or if I should leave it like that. Because when you guys see that? because I do want it to stay somewhat closed, you know. Tough decision. I think I'll just leave it. If I don't like it, I can always take it off. Okay. So I just picked out a couple little charms. I still have more to pick out, but I got a little bee. Trying to find things that you find in nature. A little pine cone. And an elephant. And what else do we have in here that we could use? What about a unicorn? Or if, well, it doesn't have a horn, it's got wings. Why not? Why can't we? Oh, there's a little squirrel on a branch. Isn't he cute? I don't know if I'll use him though, because I'd have to use 2 jump rings to hang him on with. Oh, we got a little doggy. We got a dinosaur. Oh, feather. What else? A fish and a deer. I doubt I'll use all these, but I'm just digging them out just for for some choices. Got a little fairy. Another little owl there. Well, I think that's good. Oh, another owl. And another owl. Got all kinds of owls. Okay, so I think that's good. A good selection there. I'm just gonna get I got gold and bronze, I would say, jump rings. So I'm just gonna use a mixture of both. I mixed my metals. I like the look of it. Some people don't, but I don't mind it. Whatever floats your boat. I'll try to get this done within timely fashion. I should have had these all picked out before. But it shouldn't take too long. There. And then maybe we'll use a few of the gold ones. There. Oh, I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Hopefully we'll be alright. So what do I want in the middle? I think I'll put this feather in the middle. I'm just going to guess where the middle is. This is the same day that I filmed my kind of sort of flip through of the nature journal. So I've been working on that today, trying to get it finished. I put it on hold for a while because I just do you guys ever work on something and it's fun and all, but you work on it so long you kind of get tired of it, tired of the same thing, and like I do that. I get tired of the same thing and I have to move on. Or, well, in my case, I think of something else, and oh man, I gotta put what I'm doing down and do that other project because it's right at the, it won't leave me alone until I do it. So I have a few unfinished projects. Just a few. But they'll get done eventually. They will get done in their own time. Okay, let's see. What should we put over there? We got a bee. We'll put the pine cone right about there. You guys see all right? Okay, and then I think I want that deer. We'll put the deer over here, and maybe an owl over here. Well, the deer there and an owl over here, and I think that should be good for charms anyway. Little Bambi. There's our little Bambi. Isn't he cute? Okay. Oh, my fingers look like I was digging around in the dirt, but I swear I wasn't. I promise you. Although I do like to dig in the dirt sometimes, gardening and stuff. But where we live now, I don't have my garden anymore. I do have a little flower bed, which I think I've told you guys that a few times, but so there. That's what we got. I don't know if I want to put any little beads. I think I'm just going to leave it simple like that. So let me put those back out of the way and get my book. Yeah, I like this, being able to sit down and craft. I just added I got 6 books, big books that I'm sitting on. Big books because I have a not so little behind. I can say that about myself, right? But I'm comfortable with myself, so. Okay. So let me see if I can get you. And you guys see that all right? So that's what it will look like. And I don't know. I wish that it wouldn't go the whole length. I mean, I wish it would stay, but it's all right. It's all right, I guess. Now that I have it on here, I see this one needs to move over a little bit. It's too close to the feather. So I'm just going to move it over. If I can find the opening. There it be, there it be. Okay, so I'll put it over here a little bit. There we go. Easy fix. Now I feel that it's too close to the owl, but I'm gonna leave it. Well, it's alright, I guess. So that's what it looks like. It's growing on me. Smoke's rolling out of my ears because I'm trying to figure out, maybe, what if I also put some, what if I put another line of chain, like some different chain, to pull this tighter, so the chain will be straight like this, and then this piece will be down like that. What if I did that? I could. Let me see. How long of a piece would I need? I don't want it like super tight, but just... So I gotta leave room for the jump ring. So right about there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this piece. And I don't even know if I can fit a jump ring through that tiny little bit of chain, but I'm gonna try. I hope I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. It's so small. It's so hard to see. Oh, I can. Look at that. Okay, so put that through here. Maybe. It's the way I'm holding on to it. Okay. Then close that back up. Okay, and then I need a jump ring for this end. It's so tiny. Okay. Put that through there. And through there. Of course. Where'd my jump ring go? I lost it. Did I lose it? Where'd it go? There it is. It's hidden. Okay, let's try this again. It's fiddly, guys. It's fiddly. I usually don't like fiddly things, but I think this will look really cute, so... Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. We're getting her. Okay, let's see how this works. Alright, so we'll put it on there. Then on here. I like that. It holds it a little tighter, you know? And then See, because if you hold it like that, it bends. So it's got room to grow. But if the person needs more room to grow, they can take this piece right off and use this extension part to make this longer. But this is just to kind of hold it at a nicer closed. I can't find my words. A nicer anyways, you guys know what I mean, right? But I like that. It's all right. And I like the different metals. So there's our closure for the nature journal. And I think it will hold nicely. Okay. I guess that's it. How'd we do on time? 21 minutes? 22? Alright. Well, thank you, ladies, for coming and hanging out with me and watching me fumble around with everything. I really enjoy bringing you along with me, and love to hear your comments and all that good stuff. So, you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.